Ever seen a cat try to be majestic? This one thought the mirror showed another cat. Meet Sir Meowington, noble hunter of invisible bugs. This guy tried to sneak attack, but the box betrayed him. Zoomie's mode activated. But the curtain didn't survive. I sits, until you don't. Ever seen a cat get scared by a cucumber? Yeah, it's real. Meanwhile, this one mistook a printer for a mortal enemy. And then, the moment of glory. Cats, 90% drama, 10% grace, and 100% comedy.